Richo, here we go. I'm going to show you an easy peasy fruit smoothie bowl that's going to take breakfast to the absolute next level. Are you ready?
That. How can you take a breakfast to the next level when you haven't got bacon?
I'm about to show you.
Okay.
Just watch. Without bacon, I can do it. Now, we're going to make a granola first. So this is really easy to do at home. Hot tip, make a bit extra, put it in a jar and keep using it, is what I would say.
Now, granola, is that like the horses eat that? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, Richo.
Okay.
Oats go in, good for your cholesterol. We've got some pumpkin seeds going in. Could you just roughly chop those for me? Some coconut goes in because coconut roasted is just absolutely glorious, and that's the secret to my granola. So then some cinnamon goes in, which is the absolute secret to a good granola. I'm using some monk fruit sweetness. You could use honey if you wanted. You could use sugar, but this is just a nice healthy alternative if you'd like to use it, so it adds a bit of sweetness. And then you just need a touch of olive oil. Chuck them in there, Richo.
I can do that for you.
Go for it. So you want this to get toasty in the oven. We're going to pop it on a pan and get it toasty, and the olive oil helps it get nice and golden. The kind of granola that Richo likes. Okay, we want to win him over with this.
Well, I like it golden, toasted and nice and sweet with some sour cream on top. No, not the sour cream. Just
weird. Let's put that there, and you just chuck this on and flatten it out. And how easy is this? Look at that. So this is a really easy thing to have in a jar in your pantry. Little pro tip for you, Richo.
We love the pro tips.
Pop that in the oven for about 15 minutes on 180 degrees, and you just want it to toast up a little bit. All right, Richo, so the granola's in the oven, and now we do the smoothie component, the bottom of the bowl, all the goodness. So let's put this in the middle because it's for both of us. You chuck some berries in. So this is packed with goodness. This is a breakfast to die for because it's gloriously good for you. That's why it's a winner.
I'm loving this.
Blueberries and raspberries are frozen. You're also going to put in some frozen bananas. It gives it that really nice texture when all the berries are frozen.
And it's also a great way to use up the berries. If they do get a little bit squishy, you can pop them in the freezer and perfectly good to use for later.
Correct, no food wastage. So the bananas go in. Whilst Richo's doing that, I'm going to add in some yoghurt. This is a great place to talk about bone health, which is something that not a lot of people talk about. But bone health is, I'm talking about osteoporosis, looking after your bones, and dairy is a really good way to do that, getting enough calcium into our diets. A lot of people don't realise that you've already reached your peak bone mass. You're in your 50s, 60s. Where are you in your ages?
Somewhere around there. Yeah.
Somewhere around there. So Richo's reached his peak bone mass, so you need to think about dairy. Okay. And it's not just women, it's men too.
I'm thinking about it already.
I'm still trying to guess Richo's age for everybody at home. He still hasn't told me.
I'm like one of these people that never ages. You know, like Tom Cruise, never aged. Well, not quite like Tom Cruise, but...
Self-declared non-ager. I like it.
The red-headed version of it.
Could you get some hemp protein powder, please? Because we're going to add that. We're also going to pop some milk in because you do need a little bit of fluid, obviously, in your smoothie. So that's a little splash.
Tell me about this protein powder because I would normally have steak or chicken or, protein from meat. But what's this stuff here? So
this is a lovely way to get some iron and zinc. So those are really good building blocks for your immune system. Go for it. Heat. Beautiful. Cracker.
Is this what bodybuilders have?
Well, look, this is a nice way to get some extra little nutritional building blocks in. So adds a bit of fibre, adds some protein to the smoothie, iron, zinc, just a nice way to add some more nutrition.
You know what I would do? I would crack a couple of eggs in there.
The protein powder is another way to do it. We both win, Richo. Okay. Beautiful. Can you pop the lid on? You've forgotten the absolute. He's trying to put me off. The dates for a little bit of sweetness.
I like this.
Look at all that fibre and goodness and colour and protein and iron and zinc and dairy, calcium. Look at that. It's building blocks. Go for it.
Okay, turn that on.
Yeah.
Whiz it around. You can wiggle while I whiz.
Richo, done.
Ready to go.
Blitzing.
I like that.
Love it. Richo's good on the blender, aren't you, Richo?
All right, give that a shake.
Wonderful. So now we're going to put this together. This is going to be the base of the smoothie bowl.
Do you want me to pour this into the bowl?
Yes, please. And then we're going to put the beautiful fruit and granola on top of it. Look at that.
So you tell me the portion size you want?
That's perfect.
Gotcha.
Gosh, he does know portion sizes.
Oh, I do know.
There you go. Could you make the strawberries look beautiful for me in a kind of fanned out manner?
I can do that.
And I'm going to put the granola. So I like to, as you know, I'm quite type A and neurotic, so I like to make my bowls into strips so that it looks perfect.
I had no idea of that. Type A.
Yes, he's joking.
I thought it was just B and C, but A as well.
No, A. The neurosis, the lines.
Okay.
So you want a beautiful amount of granola there. That's the crunch of your bowl. And then I'm going to put some banana in. So let me finish this. Oh, thank you, Richo. Yes, hemp seeds, beautiful. Look at this. Blueberries, I'm gonna reach over.
Oh, I like the
Look at all the colours. So when you see this many colours in your bowl, you know you're doing your gut health a favour. It's actually linked to weight management, mental health, really important. Look at this. Sprinkle those hemp seeds over, go on.
All over
Use
the
it
top?
like you stole it, Richo.
Oh my goodness, just layer
Go
it
a
on.
bit more, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
I can do that. Oh, from up high?
Omega-3 fatty acids, that's enough, that's plenty. Thank you. Have a taste, Richo. Go on, look at that.
Now I'm going to go straight into the smoothie because that's what it's all about.
It is.
I would normally have it in a glass or, you know, in a cup with a straw in it, but to have it like this with the granola, I'm going to have a taste of that as well. Very interesting.
Good. Tell me what you think of the granola.
The granola is beautiful. It's nice and toasted. I love the coconut in there. And the hemp seed, you can't taste them. It's almost like a little bit of a crunch to it. What a great little breakfast.
It is. So that is nutrition in a bowl. You've got such a beautiful balance of things there. Great for your gut health. Really nice source of fibre. Absolute winner. Breakfast to die for.
What does nutrition mean?